how to respond. When a woman hugs you, don't miss the signs. Have you ever been caught off guard by a hug that felt different, a little longer, a little tighter, leaving you unsure of what it meant or how to react? If so, you're not alone. Many men miss out on key moments of attraction simply because they don't recognize the signals hidden in a hug. A hug is more than just a friendly greeting. It can be a powerful, unspoken message. In the world of attraction, a hug can be a test, an invitation, or even a way for a woman to express feelings she's not saying out loud. The problem? Most men don't know how to read these subtle cues, letting potential connections slip away without even realizing it. If a woman is interested in you, she might use a hug as a way to gauge your reaction, seeing how comfortable you are with physical closeness. But if you misinterpret it or respond awkwardly, you could unintentionally signal that you're not interested, lack confidence, or don't understand the subtle dance of attraction. A hug isn't just about physical contact, it's an exchange of energy. The way she approaches, the length of the hug, the pressure of her embrace, and even how she pulls away can tell you more than words ever could. That's why it's crucial to understand the different types of hugs and how to respond appropriately to build attraction rather than let it slip away. Let's break down 4 types of hugs and what they really mean. Stay with me until the end because I'll also share the best way to respond so you never miss an opportunity again. 1. The quick, distant hug with back pats. This is the classic friend zone hug, brief, light, and usually accompanied by a few pats on the back. It lasts no more than a second or two and there's minimal body contact. If this is the only type of hug you're getting, she likely sees you as a friend, nothing more. What to do? If you want to shift the dynamic, work on creating more moments of tension and closeness to see if her body language changes over time. 2. The short but firm hug. This hug lasts a little longer and there's more pressure in the way she holds you. It's a sign of comfort and connection, though not necessarily romantic interest. Yet, the key is to observe, is her body relaxed? Does she hold on to you a second longer than necessary? Your best move? Don't pull away too quickly. Hold the hug just a moment longer than she expects, then watch her reaction. If she smiles, makes eye contact, or stays close afterward, she's likely open to more intimacy in the future. 3. The long, warm hug. Now we're getting into deeper connection territory. When a woman lingers in a hug, holds you firmly, and seems in no rush to let go, she's expressing something beyond simple friendliness. You might notice her chest pressing against yours, her arms wrapping tighter, or even a deep breath as she melts into the moment. Often, this kind of hug is a silent test. She's seeing how you respond to physical closeness. Do you tense up? Do you hesitate? Or do you embrace the moment with quiet confidence? A hug can be more than just a simple gesture. It can reveal emotions, attraction, and even an unspoken invitation for deeper intimacy. If you've ever wondered whether a hug meant something more, the key is to pay attention to the little details, her breathing, the way she holds you, and how she reacts before, during, and after. Let's break it down further. 4. The intimate hug. This is when she embraces you without hesitation, rests her head on your shoulder or neck, and her breathing slows or deepens. Sometimes this type of hug comes with a soft caress on your back, a whisper near your ear, or even a lingering pause before she fully lets go. At this point, attraction is no longer just a possibility, it's clear. She may not say it out loud, but her body language speaks volumes. She feels safe, comfortable, and most importantly, drawn to you. This kind of hug is often a silent invitation to deepen the connection. If she doesn't pull away immediately, it's a chance to meet her gaze and sense if the moment is right for a stronger gesture, like a kiss. How to respond to an attraction-filled hug. Recognizing the signs of attraction is just the first step. The real key is knowing how to respond in a way that builds connection without rushing things. A hug isn't just about the moment of physical contact. Everything counts, from the way she approaches to the way she lingers and even how she separates. If the hug lasts longer than usual, if her body melts into yours, or if there's a little extra pressure in her embrace, take it as a sign she's exploring the chemistry between you. So how do you respond? Confidence is key, but without nervousness or hesitation. One way to subtly intensify the connection is through gentle, natural touches. A soft hand on her lower back or a light grip on her waist can make a huge difference, creating a sense of closeness without feeling forced or invasive. The goal is to keep it effortless, no sudden movements, no overthinking. The real secret lies in reading her body language. If she leans in instead of pulling away, if she relaxes under your touch, or if she tilts her head slightly toward you, it's a strong sign that she enjoys your presence and is open to something more. The moment after the hug matters. Too surprisingly, what happens after the hug is just as important as the hug itself. If, when pulling away, she locks eyes with you, gives a soft smile, or stays close instead of immediately stepping back, that's a powerful sign that she felt something deeper in that embrace. This is where many men make the mistake of doing nothing, missing the perfect moment to take the connection to the next level. So next time a woman hugs you, pay attention, because in that quiet embrace, she might be expressing a desire she hasn't yet put into words. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on attraction and relationships. Until next time, good luck out there.